Hi, this is Cheryl of Majestic Wire Artworks. In this little video, I am going to show you a very basic ear cuff. I'm going to do a few of ear cuffs and come up with some ideas for you. This one I am calling Pinwheel ear cuff. It's pretty basic, and I make it in two different sizes. One's adult, and the other one is for children. And if you really wanted to experiment, it could easily become a toe ring as well, but that I'm not showing that today. Okay, so what I want you to do is I'm going to show you the adult, but I'm going to give you the directions for child's as well. So what you need to do is take a 20 gauge piece of wire, about 5-6 inches long, 6 inches probably better, and measure 7/8 of an inch on it with permanent marker like that. Then I want you to take your round nose pliers and basically where you make your small loops for the tops of your earrings or just small loops like this, I want you to center your shank over top of that line that we just made and push this one to the back and around. Okay, and now I want you to take the same spot on your pliers and go right over the other line and bend it forwards and up. And see, the line is going to be there, so it's actually going to be bigger than what we measured. Okay, and then we're going to go like this, find the center to cross the wire, as close to center as you can, and make it cross like that. And it's going to go bendy on you, but that's just what it does. Okay, and then hold that down in the center so it doesn't move and curve it up like that, and then do the same thing for the other side so it goes pretty consistent and equally. And we want a distance between the wires as we spin around because that's what gives it the look. We don't want it tied up. Okay, so I have all the measurements written in the description as well as your supplies as per normal. And if it gets too close like that, just bend it back, grab it to support it and bend it. Now I'm going to move this one up. So that we get that spiral look. You probably heard a bunch of popping there. I'm in the campground, and near the campground is a fire range where people can practice their shooting, and it's just a byproduct of this campsite. And now I want you to take your pliers and snug that up. Like that. See, we weren't quite center, but that's okay. And then flatten it if it's not flattened. Okay. Now we're going to actually hold it with your chain nose gently and bend this around. Okay, like that. And the same for the other side. Okay, and now I want you to take your really tiny tip snips and snip it as close as possible to the pinwheel. Okay, and then I'm going to crimp them in so that there's no sharp points. Tuck it under the pinwheel. Sometimes it's just easier to grab it and push it like that. It worked just nice. Now I want you to take a pencil, just a normal HB pencil, and wrap this around. Hold it. Those two wires there will actually give it a nice gripping edge. Okay. Next, I want you to take your round nose pliers and grip this and bend it in a little bit like this. Okay, so it's got that kind of look. You can do it more if you want. You can widen it out for a person with wider ears. It's quite adjustable. Actually, it's better to, if you're sending them in the mail to somebody, better to have it bigger because they can always squeeze it smaller. Okay, so just like that. Simple as that. And that one's done. And then to make the children's one, you just do 3/4 of an inch, and exactly the same process. I made the pinwheel a little bit tighter so it's a little bit smaller. So, I mean, that's your own choice. And that's all there's to it. Just easy peasy. Okay, thank you for joining me. God bless. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.